Hello. Today, let's see some job related to the Agile methodology. It is used in IT development and IT application project implementation. And maybe the keyword is Agile and maybe the Scrum Master. It is different jobs in the project management. Okay, let's search about the Scrum Master as the keywords to get some results. Follow this. You can see there is some job named Senior Principal Project Manager and Leader Project Manager, Cybersecurity, Scrum Master, General Manager, and Scrum Master Enterprise Platform, and Information Technology, Scrum Master Digital, OPS and DEP. No OPS, no DEP, just the OPS. Only released. This is Scrum Master MRP Global. The GD is so simple. Let's have a look about this job. Scrum Master Success Factor is a model or SAP required to join a leading global board beyond embarking. What is embarking? Embarking 启程 on a multi-tier global success factor transformation. The key criteria is delivered multiple hands-on E2E projects within success factors including SAP, CPI, and data migration. Functional knowledge and experience across the HR model. Yes, I have just read the job description about the Singapore airports. They want to have the SAP success factors and related on HR models. Experience translating business requirements into technical solution, clear, concise communication in English. Yes, this is a very good summary about this job related to the Singapore airline. So I think this is hiring team is very professional and expertise. IT manager and manager system project retail operation and Scrum Master information. Yes, this is the same job. Okay, let's see this Singapore airline. Okay, just have a look about this Scrum Master. At least the job title is clarify what about the job, and it is coaching with the Agile methodology. Okay, let's see the job description. Coach and mentor team on Agile value and principle and our new way of working. Mentor. Yes, they do not use the tutor. They always use the coach and the mentor. Coach and the mentor teams on Agile values and principle and our new ways of working. And work with the teams to ensure deliverable are consistent in high quality. Become an advocate of continuous improvement throughout the organizations, working first hand to coach the team to become self-organizing, high-performance delivery teams, help teams to remove blockers, 项目障碍 blockers and impediments always used in the Agile and the Scrum Master. It is the key responsibility for the Scrum Master to remove the impediment
impediment,
and solve the technical data such as system performance, such as database tuning, low performance, some bugs, and all kinds of API interface. For example, the online payment gateway, all these APIs maybe released by XML, SOAP, and REST. So for the JSON, different format. Okay, facilitate productive Scrum events, including sprint planning, daily Scrum, and backlog refinement, sprint review, and
retrospectives,
retrospectives. Yes. Talking about the Scrum methodology and the Agile methodology, we must have some knowledge about the Agile management systems. This is some key element about the Agile. There are two approaches to Jira project management. One is Kanban, and the other is Sprint. Related to the Agile and Scrum and value increment, this is under the methodology of Agile. Let's talk about the Scrum methodology. Simply put out, Scrum requires the Scrum Master to create an environment via the product owner schedule. Simply put out, Scrum. Simply put, Scrum requires the Scrum Master to create an environment via the product owner schedule work on complex problems into a product backlog. And the Scrum team turns the selected work into a valuable increment during the sprint. During every sprint, the Scrum team turn the Scrum team turns the selected work into a value increment during a sprint. The Scrum team and its shareholders check the results and make adjustments for the next sprint. And they must repeat the above. This is the first one. The product owner schedule works on a complex problem into a product backlog. The backlog is recently is seen, long time is sick, and so all of this product backlog should be solved by the Scrum team. The Scrum team will turn the selected work one by one into a valuable increment during every sprint. During every sprint. And the Scrum team and its shareholders check the results and make adjustment for the next sprint. And the process will repeat and repeat, and until the backlog is all solved and the working is done. And according to the backlog is coming from the storyboard. Okay, this is a very simple explain of the Scrum. And Scrum includes three work pieces. This is the product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. And there is four practice: sprint plan, daily Scrum, and sprint review, sprint retrospective. And there is three roles in Scrum team: product owner, Scrum master, product owner, Scrum master, Scrum team. And in the sprint plan meeting, this is the beginning for the Scrum for the Scrum team. And there is a daily working daily meeting named daily stand-up meeting. It is obviously because everyone stand up and hand on and carry on a very short time meeting to say what we have done, what about today's working and the daily working. This is named daily stand-up meeting. And the sprint review is for the sprint review meeting. All of the team members must join up, and they will show the sprint review for the code review, the tuning, improvement, and the requirements manual, and all this. They should be a review for the project. And the sprint retrospective and the sprint retrospective meeting. Yes, we can see there is 4 meeting. It is the sprint planning meeting, daily stand-up meeting, sprint review meeting, and sprint retrospective meeting. And all of this meeting will run one by one, and seems like a cycle. And if you done with your working, done with your product backlog, so the sprint backlog is closed and completed. And we have the product backlog. We have some principle. It is deep principle, such as we can classify all of these product backlogs in this principle. It is detailed appropriately and estimated and emergent and prioritized. And for the PBI, it is possible. How to say the PBI? Pending backlog. So we have some features about this. It is new features and enhancement. For example, for book index systems, if you have a new feature, for example, collect all of the new book into the CART 购物车怎么讲 cart. It is a new feature. Collect all book into your cart. It is a new feature. Enhancement. For example, adjustment for the detailed show the searching result. The searching result showed by different style. It is enhancement. And defect. For example, to repair the bugs for the deal with about the cat to the payroll. Deal with the cat and transfer to the payment gateway. And technical debt, such as the database tuning and the infrastructure reconstruction. And the principle of spike. It is, for example, we have 2 different construction. We must select which one is best and which one is better for concurrent user. Okay. This is some simple introduction for the Scrum and the Agile methodology. Okay, let's see review continue for the JD. Develop creative ideas to support the team in keeping the Scrum events positive and energized.
energized,
energize and energize, develop creative ideas. Develop creative ideas to support the team in keeping the Scrum events positive and energize.
energized,
Energize. Ability to investigate, challenge, and proactively suggest improvements to the way of working. Work hand in hand to support and challenge product owners to maximize the values of the team, supporting the delivery of the product backlog and the product roadmap. Yes, it is very good working to challenge the product owner, and you have the ability and you have the chance to challenge all this design fit. Assist the product owners to minimize sprint interruptions so as to protect the team and enable them to focus on the sprint goals and commitments. Foster a safe and trusting team environment, whereas issues can be raised without fears of blame or retribution.
retribution,
Foster foster a safe and trusting team environment whereby issues can be raised without fear of blame or retribution. Yes, it is very important. Someone always fear about the retribution come from his leader and by the boss and maybe by some very tough people. Okay, you must foster a safety and trusting team environment. It is a very good environment to communication very easy, and you can improve your performance very quickly, and you can report to your team leader, report to the Scrum Master, and you can handle on the pace of the development. Willingness to work across the team, willingness to work across teams and collaborate with other Scrum Masters as and when required. Willingness to work across teams and collaborate with other Scrum Masters as and when required. Work with the Agile community to improve and support the scaling or agility.
agility,
Support the scaling or agility within the bank. Serves as the point of contact of external teams, management, and other shareholders. Help build a productive environment where team members take ownership of their work and enjoy working together as a cohesive unit. Yes, very good. Help build a productive environment where team members take ownership of their work and enjoy working together as a cohesive unit. Let's see the requirements. Job qualification, bachelor's degree or equivalent, hands-on experience as a Scrum Master role, deep knowledge and understanding of Agile values and principles, strong team coach and mentor. Strong team coach and mentor. Strong team coach and mentor. Strong team player in the wider Agile community. Effective listener and communicator. Effective listener and communicator. Strong interpersonal skills. Experienced and strong ability in managing shareholders' experience. In managing shareholder expectation. Excellent writing and verbal communication skills. Ability to influence without formal authority. ability to influence without formal authorization. For example, you have the ability to revise the backlog. How to say? You have the ability to revise the product backlog. Yes, because the backlog is designed by the product owner. Maybe the classify and the schedule for the product log is not very reasonable. Proactive, creative individual who is willing and able to challenge the status quo when needed. Challenge the startup. Challenge the status.
Pro tip. Creative individual who is willing and able to challenge the status quo when needed.
Challenge the status quo when needed. Self-starter with excellent servant leadership and team building skills. Self-starter with excellent servant leadership and team building skills. Ability to resolve complex problems creatively, out of the box thinking. Ability to resolve complex problems creatively, out of the box thinking. How to say the out of the box thinking? It is a fast and sweet. It is very good. Prefer experience. Financial knowledge and experience working in the financial industry will be advantage. Scrum Master certification from established Agile institutions such as Scrum Alliance, Scrum Organization, etc. Practical working experience in system development, integration environment, mixed technology, and delivering
Generative.
Delivering generative AI related projects. It is about this work. It is let's see this Scrum Master. It is very good. Also this Zhang Yi SAP project Scrum Master. Let's see this job. Accenture Southern Asia. The group. Just see the
Pillar.
The pillar is a pillar. Accenture technology combine the business and industry high insight within innovative technology service to transform your business. Let's have some tools to grab the brightness. Join one of the world's largest independent providers of technology services to grow your expertise and help clients what want to innovate at scale and transform their business, help changing how the world works and lives. The group, the role, the Scrum Master, associated manager responsibility include but not limited to be in the capacity of a leader manager to drive the delivery of project and dealing with high profile clients be a SME for project delivery and oversee full project delivery life cycle. Be a trusted advisor to our customers. You will be responsible for the successful execution of one or more projects at a time. providing guidance, coaching, and project leadership. Be responsible for keeping the project team working on the highest priority tasks, removing risks and impediments.
Impediments.
Removing risks and impediments. Maintain on track financials and leading the communication with shareholders, forming tight collaborations with the product owners to develop the user storage and to manage product and sprint backlog. Wow, all this is the jargon. What to say? Another 术语。jargon。Yeah. What? That's from the beginning. No fun. Oh, it's 行话。Yes, it is this word.
Slang.
Slang. JARGON.
Slang jargon.
Slang jargon. Always the slang jargon related to Agile and Scrum used in this sentence. It is a very good sample to describe the ICT project management. Let's write it down. And critical successor factors. Yes, critical successor factors is a model of SAP HANA. Mandatory. Minimal 4 to 6 years of experience playing the Scrum Master role for Agile software development teams that were diligent applying Scrum principle, practice, and see it. Good to have skills. Prior experience in digital consulting, handling digital transformation project will be plus. Scrum Master certification by Scrum Alliance or equivalent. CSM, PSM1, CSP, PSM2, Project Management Professional, PMP, HCP, or Scrum certification with real-world experience. Adding additional certification are an advantage. All our consulting professionals receive comprehensive training covering business acumen, technical and professional skill development. You will also be opportunity to hone your functional skills and expertise in an area of specification. We offer a variety of formal and informal training programs at every level to help you acquire and build specialized skills faster. Learning takes place both on the job and through formal training conducted online, in the classroom, or in collaboration with teammates. the share, variety of work we do, and the experience it offers provide an unbeatable platform from which to build a career. But I think all of this what is copy and paste for the Agile development methodology, and maybe there is only job hunter and not very good. There is no training, no acumen, coach, and how to say patient, coach and tutor and the how to say. Cloud tool and all of this, just select the suitable man and get money. Okay, close the recording.